बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, जो कि आज समंदर के बीच में हम ये व्लॉग शुरू कर रहे हैं. So we are again out on a trip with my friends who are from hostel, and I am gonna make you introduce each one of them. So here we meet Chetna Ganesh. Here is Kankana. And now we have Rakshita. So we are all going to Alibag by M2M ferry, जो हम almost miss करने वाले थे because of this girl. And but yeah, we almost made it, and now we are in the ferry. So we'll go and show you how it was. So we've reached Alibag and this is the port. So this is how it is. If you want to come and you want to bring your car, आप अपनी कार भी ला सकते हो, 2 व्हीलर्स भी ला सकते हो in this. And ये ऐसा इसका गेट है. YouTube, yes. Chetna, how are you liking Chota Hathi? Chota Hathi.
I feel like we're going on a safari. Like
Yeah.
कुछ भी यार ज़्यादा.
But safari when you travel to the thing, the jeep, the trips is very different. But still, when you travel
looks
there,
like that. थोड़ा बहुत.
guys, you should actually go for a safari next time.
So this is the place where we're going to stay. It is Kantai by Saffron Stays, and it is quite close to the Mandwa jetty, and trust me, it is so beautiful, so aesthetically pleasing. They greet you with a fresh coconut as the welcome drink, and Age you will see how beautiful our room was. And on the weekends it's the price is little high, but on the weekdays the price is really reasonable, so you can go and check in here and you can see how beautiful this room is. Like, just look at the colors and the space, and you have the attached pool, your own personal pool, and it is a 2 BHK, so you have twin rooms, and you also get a pool and 2 bathrooms. So I think it's very nice, and it's highly recommended. If you're coming to Alibag, you can definitely come in here and chill with your friends, our family, and have a great time. They also have this beautiful lawn section where you can go sit, and in case you want to have your meals outside, you can come up here and they will do all this setup and you can have your meals. It was like the perfect weekend getaway that if you want to look for peace.
So guys, here's to 10 years of our friendship, of knowing each other, and we have done some many crazy shit together, and this is one of them, where each one of them is acting. This is all scripted. This is not natural. We are not natural at all. So this, after multiple retakes, we are doing this, and हमारा storage multiple times full हो चुका है. So this is our one crazy group, and there are 3 members who are missing right now, who is Ranjita, Shivani and Namrata. We don't miss you guys, but yeah, we do miss you.
Little.
You're lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see you in a bit. 1, 2, 3, go.
अच्छा हाथ ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो, या. Okay.
So after very long time, I think I laughed so much and we all had so much of fun ki we spent almost 8 hours in the pool. We were just playing and having fun, gossiping and spending time together after a really long time. There was a beach close by, but we didn't even bother to go there. We were just in our villa enjoying the place and enjoying the pool and enjoying the time with each other. I think that's the beauty of such old friends, and it feels like yesterday that we all met as strangers in hostel, and now it's like we all are like a family. और इतने देर पूल में रहने के बाद हमें ऐसा लगा था कि नहीं, हम तो फुल नाइट फ़न करेंगे एंड हमारे साथ हुआ ये कि हमारा हाथ पैर बैक इट स्टार्टेड पेनिंग सो मच कि फ़न करने के जगह हमारा यहाँ पे स्ट्रेचिंग सेशन चल रहा है दैट टू रिलीव दैट पेन एंड फिर उसके बाद हम सब ने एक दूसरे को मसाज दिया और फिर हम सब सो गए. So here we are again heading back for to board our ferry for Mumbai. Actually, it wasn't a long weekend. We just wanted to go for a day and chill, relax, spend some time together. So now we are going back, and it was too hot in Alibag for us to go somewhere, and we were very far from some good beaches which are there. So we decided, okay, let's go early. And the best part was that our ferry was for 4 p.m. but we requested Roro Ferry to reschedule it, so they rescheduled it to 1 p.m., which was really nice. We had to just pay some minimal charge, and here we are trying to make some videos and do some crazy things. And there was group of 20 uncle and aunties, and they saw us doing this video and they wanted to try it. So here they are, see how cutely they are making videos similar to us, and it was so much fun. Later we got to know that they all had come all the way from Hyderabad to watch some play at NMACC, and it was so fun to meet them. We made some good friends, and it was a nice one day trip. So in case you like the video, you know that you need to like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, which is AL Vlogs, and do share it to your friends because this vlog is all about friendship. And if you need some more details about this stay, about Roro Ferry, then you can get in touch with me.